तो गाइस ये बच्चा स्कूल से बंक मार रहा है, यही वही बच्चा है गाइस। मैं भी वही यहाँ पर स्कूल से जो बंक मार रहा है। दोनों जा रहे हैं कपड़े लाने इसके। में कीड़े भी छिपे अखिल दुखी आत्मा आ चुका है। अखिल दुखी आत्मा गाना आ गया सुनूंगा वाला सिग्मा नेपाल।
Today is the special day and emotional day also. But as you know, I'm always telling you also that in classes also, life is.
Whole year, all the teacher motivated you, but
at the end,
you are very cheater. This batch, what do you thought? We are very clever, but we are also clever. When you need our help, you are very polite. Come to us, sir, please, please. And when we are requesting to you, you are showing attitude. Whole year, I have motivated you, but you can't show any improvement. but you have time for few days left for your final examination. Wish you all the very best for your upcoming examination. Do good and make us proud. Yeah. Okay, thank you, everyone.
अंदर से बैठ के
Mixed emotions. You then as an English teacher, I feel proud to say that it has been a wonderful journey teaching you all. You all have been so incredible in your classes, and you know, over the years I've seen you growing, learning, and evolving into confident individuals. At times, you had been mischievous, but that's a part of students' life. With a streak of mischievousness, there are certain wonderful qualities in you. You all are hardworking, you possess indomitable will, and most important, unrelenting, awesome attitude that you are blessed with. And you have, today showcased a perfect example of that here. I feel so proud to say that this amazing batch has been taught by me. Dear children, as you embody the values, what we have instilled in you,
Hello, dear students. May you have the courage to face the waves and humility to remain.
I'm really happy to see you. The reason this batch is really special for me. I started my journey with the school when they were in 6th standard, and sitting near the P counter, 6A and B. Still, I find it the same in few regards. If I look at Ishant, Shravan, Aditya Raj, Navang, even from Ipsha that side, Tanya, Karuna, even I can tell you all name with sitting position where you were. The day I met you, I took the first class of maths. Hope you remember? Yeah. The day onward, I've seen you growing, but this time flies like very fast. Very fast. I could not even imagine this 7 years over here. And so many memories are with you. Being class teacher twice, once in 9th and in last class also. Beyond that, you are associated with me in NCC, and so many memories are there also. Being class teacher also, those who joined recently, even class 9th, even 11th, so many memories are with you also. I cannot even explain, right Varun? So many matches are there all together, where we were together, and most important thing which I cannot even forget about you, you were the first batch of ICSE. And we were all under pressure to think that how they will manage, even they came from HPO. But you put everything to get 100% result. And the scenario is again same. Again, same platform is set for you because we could not get a good result from last 2 years. You are on the right track and right place again. So you need to set again a benchmark. And I believe that these 7 years I noticed you.
then I thought that why to lose this opportunity. Actually, I was thinking that last year you and I stood together to bid farewell to our batch 24-25, right? So today the same me and class plus one, present class plus one is again arranged farewell for you. And who knows that what the future holds. It may happen that next year I will be bidding farewell to my class plus one. Is it? Yeah. So see students, time moves in a circle, right? The rule changes, but memories remains forever. So as I'm a physics teacher, so I will bless you in physics language only.
Science.
If you will understand, then clap loudly. If you don't understand, then
Ma'am, you're looking
you're always welcome for extra classes, because DIV teachers never say no for extra classes, right teachers?
Cos 1 upon cos C.
Okay. So I wish, like a projectile reaching its maximum height.
Hey Baba.
Do you know projectile? Yes. Like a projectile reaching its maximum height, may you grow and shine with inner light. The gravity may pull you down. The gravity may pull you down, but our blessings will always keep your future bright. Wish you all the best, dear students.
दोनों का रास्ता दूर जाके भी मुझसे तुम मेरी यादों में रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। मेरे वास्ते क्या कुछ नहीं किया, 100 बार शुक्रिया, 100 बार शुक्रिया, 100 बार शुक्रिया, बिलियन बार शुक्रिया। तुम जैसे तुम जैसे तुम्हारी यार का मरा है।